Good morning, students. Welcome to 8th Standard Social Science. Introduction. Day with clear sunshine makes us happy. When it is too hot, we are happier to see the cloud and have rain. Our habits depend on the type of climate we have during a period. Weather is so important that they are daily forecast about it on the television, radio and the newspapers. Let us know about the weather and climate. Our atmosphere consists of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.97% argon, 0.3% carbon dioxide and 0.04% trace amounts of other gases and water vapor. Now, weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. The weather of a place can change rapidly. It may be bright and sunny with a clear sky in the morning, while in the evening the sky may be covered with dark clouds. It may start raining in the morning, but the afternoon may be bright and sunny. The weather of a particular place depends on the temperature, the moisture in the air, the pressure of air, the movement of air or wind. What is meant by temperature? Temperature is extent of hotness and coolness of a place. The earth, hence heated by the sun. As the sunlight reaches the earth, the land and seas heated and warm the atmosphere. This warming of the atmosphere raises the temperature. And then moisture or water vapor is always present in the air. The amount of moisture in the air rises when the sun's heat converts water from the oceans, seas, rivers and lakes converts into water vapor. Now, climate. Climate is the weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Climate of a place depends on its average monthly or yearly temperature, average amount of rainfall or snow. Influences of climate. Climate influences the type of food people grow and eat, the type of clothes they wear, the type of homes they live in, the types of plants that grow and animals that can live in the region. And then seasons. The seasons of the earth occur because of the rotation of the earth on its axis and revolution around the sun. There are mainly 3 seasons in India. They are summer, monsoon and winter. Summer. From March onwards, it's too hot. March, April and May are the summer months. And then monsoon. From the month of June, rain clouds gather in the sky. June, July, August, September are the rainy months. And then winter. After the rains, the weather becomes drier and cooler. October, November, December, January and February are winter months. Seasons change in an orderly fashion. This change of seasons from summer to monsoon to winter is called the cycle of seasons. Now, difference between weather and climate. Weather is the day-to-day conditions of atmosphere at any place regards sunshine, temperature, cloud cover, wind condition, air pressure, humidity, precipitation, and such other elements. Climate is generally defined as the average conditions of the weather of a place or a region. The climate does not change often like a weather. Weather will be changed. It is a day-to-day condition. But the climate does not change often like a weather. This is the difference between the weather and climate. So children, the word climate is derived from the ancient Greek word klimo, which means inclination. The word klimo, which means inclination. Now, let's move on to the controlling factors of weather and climate. So, what are the factors that control the weather and climate of a place? First one is the rays of the sun. The angle of the sun's rays, it determines the weather and climate. Next is the duration of the day. The length and direction of shadows change during the day. Next is the distribution of land, and then the water bodies. Then the location and direction of mountain ranges. It determines the weather and climate of a place. Then the air pressure. Then the wind. The wind determines the weather of a place. Then the ocean current. So children, these are all the major factors that affect the weather and climate of a particular region. So, we all know that the earth is spherical in shape. So, what happened? So, the sun's rays fall unevenly on the earth's surface. So, since earth is spherical in shape and it is inclined, the sun rays falls unevenly on the earth's surface. Since the sun rays falls unevenly on the earth's surface. So the polar region, that is the North Pole and the South Pole, it receives the slanting rays of the sun. The North Pole and the South Pole, it receives the slanting rays of the sun, whereas the equator receives the direct rays of the sun. So the sunlight strikes most directly on the equator, and just above and below the equator receive the moderate sun rays. And the North Pole and South Pole, we will receive the slanting sun rays. So the difference in the temperature makes the air and water move in currents. The warm air rises up and creates more space for air beneath, while the cool air settles down. So this creates the high pressure and low pressure in the atmosphere. So children, these are all the factors that controls the weather and climate. Students, do you know the scientific study of weather is called meteorology, and then scientific study of climate is called climatology. The scientific study of weather is called meteorology, and then scientific study of climate is called climatology. Okay students, shall we recall now? Yes. The weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at any place. And then climate is the average weather condition of a place for a long period and usually for 35 years. And then seasons. There are 3 seasons in India. They are summer, winter and monsoon. And then the factors influencing and then controlling factors of weather and climate. Do you know the scientific study of weather is called meteorology, and then scientific study of climate is called climatology. Okay students, thank you.